Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. I am Khushpreet, your class teacher. Students, I hope you all enjoyed the video sessions. Students, as you know, we are doing the theme that is people who help us. And our today's topic is revision of the same topic, that is people who help us. In this topic, we learn about how different people help us in different ways. Like as you see in this picture, like first one is vet, second is teacher, lollipop person, road worker, police officer, lunchtime supervisor, paramedic, nurse, milk deliverer, mechanic, doctor and taxi driver. These people helps us in different ways. After this, now students, I am going to show you the pictures of different peoples of different profession and their tools. Okay, now we start. The first picture is of doctor, and doctor uses stethoscope to check the heartbeat. Next picture is of teacher. The teacher uses chalk and duster. Teacher uses chalk and duster to teach the students and by writing on the board with the help of chalk. Next one is gardener. Gardener uses trowel to dig the pit, and gardener also gives water to the plants. Next picture is of postman. Postman uses motorcycle or cycle to deliver the letters. Next picture is of chef. And chef uses knives. They use knives for the cutting and chopping of vegetables. After doing this, students, now open page number 37 of your I Can Explorer book number 4. In this page, students, you match these people with the correct places. Students, you see the picture of doctor, fireman and postman, and on the right hand side you see a fire station, post office and hospital. Firstly, match the doctor or nurse with the hospital. Next is fireman. Match the fireman with the fire station. The third one is postman. Match the postman with the post office. Okay. After doing this page, now students, I am going to give you some situation. From this situation, you tell your parents where we go in that situations. If you do not know about anything, then your parents will help you. Like if you see fire in any house or anywhere, then what you do and where you go. Next situation is if in your family birthday of any family member is coming and you want to buy a cake, then where you go to buy a cake. Next is if sometimes you want to post a letter to your friend or relatives or anything, anyone, then what you do and where you go. The last one is, if you want to learn about anything in school, then who will help you? Okay, students, these are some situations. Okay, firstly, you you read out all these situations, and after that tell your parents about what you do and where you go. Okay, after this, now I am going to recite a rhyme, that is, they help us. The farmer sows the field, the farmer sows the field. Hey, who? What do you know? The farmer sows the field. The postman brings the mail, the postman brings the mail. Hey, ho, what do you know? The postman brings the mail. Postman brings the mail. The driver drives the bus. The driver drives the bus. Hey, ho, what do you know? The driver drives the bus. The gardener waters the plants. The gardener waters the plants. Hey, ho, what do you know? The gardener waters the plant. After this rhyme, now students, today we are going to learn about the left, right and center. I give you some instructions for drawing by using the left, right and center. And you draw that on a sheet of paper. For example, firstly, students, you draw a picture of flower in the center of the page. Take a sheet of paper and draw flower in the midpoint of the page, and after that color it. Okay. After drawing this flower, now draw a picture of any bird on a sheet on the left hand side of the flower. Okay. Students, you draw any picture of bird in the left hand side of the flower. After this, now draw a picture of dog in the right hand side of flower. Okay, students, I repeat it again. Firstly, take a sheet of paper and after that, firstly draw a flower in the center of the sheet. And after that, in the left hand side of the flower, you make a picture of bird. And on the right hand side, you draw a picture of dog. Okay, students, you do not use another sheet, use only one sheet and draw the picture of flower, bird and dog. Okay, students, now your homework is to learn the rhyme and also tell your parents about the different situations. Okay. Okay, students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a bright day.